Hey y'all, my name is Camille and welcome back to my palace. Today at the palace we have a Gel X nail video for you guys. This is going to be a jelly marble nail, so go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications and let's get on into the video. Alright y'all, so I did not show y'all my natural nail prep for this video, but I do have a video on my channel entitled How to Do Gel X Nails / Watch Me Work. I will link that in the description box below so you can check that out if you want to see my natural nail prep. But for this video I went straight into applying the nails, so I also did size out my nails and pick them out for what finger ahead of time as well. And every product that I use in here I will also link that in the description box for you guys, so you can just click the link, get what you need if you want to create this look. So basically I just grab the nail, what fits the finger, and I go ahead and add some glue to it from the kit that I use, the acrylic nail kit. Put some glue at the tip of the fake nail bed or the Gel X nail bed, and then go ahead and apply that onto my finger, making sure I get it even on the nail. And then we're just going to go ahead and flash cure that under the light for a cool 60 seconds so that, you know, it attaches. And then once that's done, I go ahead on to the next nail. We're just going to repeat the process, so adding a little bit of that glue at the top of the nail bed, and then going ahead and applying it onto my natural nail. And flash curing for a good 60 seconds. But that is the process, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed the rest of these clips up. Next, we're going to get into clipping our nails, filing our nails, basically shaping the nails to the way that you like it. I made mine a little shorter and yeah, filed it, make sure everything was even. Alright, so I go in with a base coat on my nails first, paint that on all my nails, and then I'm going to cure it into the light for at least a cool 60 seconds. The base coat that I'm using, I will also be sure to link that down in the description box. It'll be a kit that you'll get, so it's going to come with a base coat, a top coat that you'll see me use later on in this video, and as well as a matte top coat. So yeah. Now on to the best part, the artwork. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do the jelly marble nail effect. I decided to do it on my ring finger and my pointer finger. So I'm taking like dabs of the different jelly colors that I use in the description box and dapping it on to the tip of the nail. And then if y'all can see those brushes I have on there, I'm going to swirl it all together in the end with the brushes, trying to create that marble effect. I decided it wasn't enough color, so I go back in trying to add more color, the dabs of the jelly nail polish onto the nail. Also wanting it kind of evenly distribute the color, and then going in with that brush and swirling again. I kind of repeat that process until I get the marble effect that I like. And of course, after that, I go ahead and cure it in the light. And on to the next nail. Doing the same thing that I just did on my ring finger, on my pointer finger. Y'all, I seriously apologize for being partially in the camera, but hopefully y'all can still see what I'm doing. Next, I go ahead and take this orange gel polish and start applying it at the top of the nail where I placed the marble at, hoping it will like blend or transition in. And it kind of did do that, but I just wasn't a fan of this orange at the top. I highly recommend, if y'all do this, that you either just leave the top of the nail clear, like just paint clear over the whole nail and not do the orange. But if you do want to put a color, maybe you should do like a light pink or a nudish pink or a nude, so that it looks more like your natural nail. I think with it being orange, it just stuck out really big. So by the end of the video, you'll see that I do go out and change that because I just wasn't a fan. So next I go ahead and polish that orange polish on the rest of the nails that I did not touch yet. And I go ahead and paint the whole nail orange. And then after that, I will go ahead and cure it into the lights. Here you see me going in for my second coat, and I will cure this as well afterwards. Here you see me going in with a top coat. Be sure to do your top coat on all your nails and then go ahead and cure it. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and take some cuticle oil and apply it to all my cuticles, trying to strengthen them. Well, that's all, folks. Thanks for watching.